With some slicing bread from your kitchen, you can make this bread pizza or pizza bread very easy and quick breakfast. Hello guys, welcome back to another video. This is Vivian recipe. If you are new here, you are highly welcome. All we do here is cooking. Please, if you love what we are doing here, kindly subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that you will be getting our update whenever we upload a video. To all our returning subscribers, thank you and God bless you all. I try my best to upload twice, but I think for now I'm going to be uploading once a week. So I hope you enjoy this video and every other video that will be coming across your way. So without wasting much time, just follow it up step by step. Just like so. So I have to cut it into two. So first I will be adding these tomatoes mixed with zucchini and other vegetable. Okay, I will just add them to the bread. So I'm adding some mozzarella cheese. So I'm adding my chicken hot dog. And some sweet corn. So the next is olive seed. Some onions and bell pepper. So the last is our cooked egg, okay? After that, I will just place it in the oven for just few minutes, and there you will have your breakfast. Look at that. It came out really nice and my kids enjoyed it. I did as well. So guys, leave your comment, let me know what you think, share this video and subscribe to this channel if you have not subscribed. Thank you all so much for always stopping by to support us. God bless you. I love and appreciate you all so much. Stay tuned and remain blessed. See you in another video soon. Bye.